Hey, what's going on, everybody? Nik Robbins here, and I'm the founder of the Crusader Nation. And I wanted to make this huge testimonial video for Arne Giske. This guy is a killer. Guys, whether you're looking at his Facebook Groups for Profits program, you're doing a launch room, this guy knows how to grow groups and monetize them. It's actually almost scary how well he knows how to do it and put things together. The way he teaches, what he teaches absolutely works. All right, like we put together a launch over like a 2-week period, did over, $70,000, to a small Facebook group. Guys, there wasn't even that many people in there. And it was because of the way that we had structured everything, because of the way Arne had helped us out. And I've gotten immense value out of growing that group in the first place from his Facebook Groups for Profits program. So if you guys are on the fence, so you're thinking about working with Arne, stop doing it. This guy has made me tens of thousands, $100,000, like for sure, easily, with us helping us build our group, with his strategies. Cannot recommend the guy enough. And stop thinking about it unless you hate money. Jump in, join his programs, do the work, and thank me later.